Today finds us at Lodi at 3032 Isabella, a beautiful single level, 1,900 plus square feet. Come on in and get a look. It's special. This gorgeous tile floors, open floor plan, message center that's all extra. This house has it all. This spacious master sits at the back of the house with sliders to the backyard, away from the other two for that added privacy. You're gonna love it. And this gorgeous master bath, separate tub and shower, double vanity, and a gorgeous and large walk-in closet. Now you've gotten a preview, so give me a call, Lorraine Cardoza, 209-605-6317 to get a look at it. You've seen how wonderful it is. It won't last long.